My name is Mario Schulz. I'm Professor of International Management at Franklin University, and for the MSIM I'm teaching the course Corporate Climate Action. So the course is about the corporate response to climate change. Climate change is a major topic that society is facing, of course, but also businesses of today. Students will learn about climate mitigation programs, they will learn about cap and trade programs, and they will look into different means to address climate change, but also the risks that come with it. Why is the course important for future leaders? Or why is it important for future managers? It is very important because corporations around the world are facing climate change, and corporations are increasingly asked to address their carbon emissions. So students learning about the fundamental theoretical but also practical elements that corporations deal with when they deal about climate change. Students will be able to evaluate climate mitigation measures that corporations are using and will be able to tell the difference between greenwashing and real world programs that make a difference.